Hello friends, how are you? In this video I am going to deliver a honest review related to a product. Basically it is a Korean mask which name is Red Bean Refreshing Pore Mask. First of all, we will discuss what are the benefits of this mask, and then we'll discuss about its packaging, and then we'll discuss its main ingredients, and finally we will discuss what is the best way to apply this mask to get it maximum result. But before starting my video, I request you please subscribe my channel and click the bell icon button so that you can get notifications of my every video. Let's start the video. In fact, our pores are the channels through which sebum exists our skin. Excessive sebums and dead skin cells accumulates in these channels, cause the pores to enlarge. For pore care, you need to remove dead skin cells in the pores, wash away the accumulated sebum and waste, and then lower the skin temperature. For this purpose and from this point of view, this mask is created. Now talked about its packaging and consistency and whatsoever. The Red Bean Refreshing Pore Mask comes in a very beautiful tub packing. There was a small scoop. The mask itself is sealed off and nearly filled with the brim with 140 ml of product. The product was a very natural product and it produced a natural scent. Now talked about its ingredients. This serum is infused with 29% henna red bean extracts, 25% red bean powder, and these are very good to reduce sebum production. I mean to say, red bean powder and red bean extracts are used to control excessive oil and sebum production. It contains colon powder. It is also very good. It gives you a cooling sensation and give you a soothing sensation. It contains pearl fruit extract and strawberry fruit extracts, and these are very good. It is a good source of vitamin C, and vitamin C of course give you a brighten and healthy looking complexion. This product is not formulated with essential oils, neither it contains a fragrance. How to apply this mask? I recommended you to apply a thin layer of this soft clay mask on your skin. It gives you an instant cooling sensation and that provides you a relaxation mood. And let this mask on your skin for good 10 to 15 minutes before rinsing it off with lukewarm water. It remains moist on your skin. Mean to say, it did not dry your skins or did not tighten your skin, and it is not harder or drying whatsoever. And then after 15 to 20 minutes, rinse off with lukewarm water. It gives you instantly feeling a sensation and give you a relaxation mood, and it has the particles. It has a very gentle particles which acts as a light exfoliation, but it is not very harsh like other mud masks or other masks. It gives you a smooth and healthy glowing look when you use it on a first time. I will recommend it to use it 2 to 3 times according to your weather, according to your skin types. In summer you can use it twice and thrice a week, and in winters you can use it once or twice a week. This is the best way to apply these masks. Apply this mask, give you cooling sensations, remove excessive oil and remove dead skin cells, and also cleanse your pores. Male and female can also use these masks. This is the honest review related to this mask. If you liked my review, please subscribe my channel and click the bell icon button so that you can get notifications of my every video. Thanks for watching. Till next video. Bye bye.